governor of Lagos State, I'm the one that telling you, go and settle these people. If you don't settle these people, you will see how the anger of God will fall upon you. I'm the one that saying it to you.
My sister, good morning. Oh, good morning. See, they have demolished my house. I was in the hospital. They just called me that they have started demolishing our house. They are demolishing the whole street. Oh, they just come and started demolishing. See, they are demolishing everywhere. They are demolishing. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, I could not bring out my property. I could not bring out my documents. They are demolishing everywhere. See. They are demolishing everywhere. Oh, the whole building, the whole house, they are demolishing. Oh, Rossville at Ajao Estate. Rossville at Ajao Estate. Oh, they are demolishing everywhere. Rossville Street at Ajao Estate. See them. Oh, they came with two caterpillars. See them. Demolishing everywhere. I could not bring out anything from my house. Oh. I could not bring anything out. Oh. See. They came with courage. They came with courage. Oh. Demolishing everywhere. Demolishing.
Do you see how the governor of Lagos State sent caterpillar to destroy these houses? And the 99 or 90% of the people that own this house are Igbos. They are Igbos, and the governor know. Look at how these lady are crying. All her property, all their property, all of them were destroyed. What kind of a country is this? What kind of a wicked leaders we have in Nigeria? Look at how you destroy their houses without providing them another place. Do you know how much they buy that land? Do you know how much they spent to build that land? Do you know how many years it took them to save money to buy land? Only land. Do you know how many years it took them to build that house? We are living in a wicked generation. Send this message to the governor of Lagos State. Go and compensate these people. If you not do it, God will judge you. I'm the one that's saying it to you. What kind of a country is this? All their property, all their houses, just destroyed like that. We are living in a wicked country. The governor of Lagos State know that the people who get this house, majority of them are Igbos. You cannot compensate them, settle them, just like that. Their property, just like that. How many millions they spend? We are living in a wicked country. Wicked country. Do you know how many years they saved the money to build that house? As you destroy that house now, what do you want these people to do? And if these people now sue you to court, then go win you because we are living in a wicked country. Even though if they win you, you don't go do anything because we are living in a wicked country. Do you know how many years it took some of them to save the money, to save money, to buy that land, even to build that house? Now you have destroyed their property, their houses. What do you want them to do? You want them to come back to the village? We are living in a wicked country. Governor of Lagos State, I'm the one that telling you, go and settle these people. If you don't settle these people, you will see how the anger of God will fall upon you. I'm the one that's saying it to you. Because the cry of these people will not be in vain. The cry of these people will not be in vain. God will judge you if you did not settle these people.